Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another weekend recipe with Cooking with TJ. This week I'm making a simple easy breakfast. What am I making? French toasties. Let's get right through to the recipe. Okay guys, so first we're going to add in some milk. Thereafter we're going to crack in one egg. And then after that we need to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. And half a cup of sugar. Now all we need to do is just whisk it until it's well combined. And then we can just leave that to a side. Just to make you aware also guys, all the ingredients would be listed in the description box of this video, so please keep posted for that. Alright guys, now it's time to add in the cream cheese. Spread it evenly on the bread. The cream cheese that I'm using is from Dubai, so if you guys want to purchase this, you can get it from your local Asian store, no problem. I'll just list it down in the description box of this video, so also keep posted for that as well if you want to use the same one. So as you can see, the first bread I've spread the cheese evenly, and I just do it on the second one exactly the same, and ensure that it's not lumpy. Just keep it evenly spread out throughout the bread and ensure all the edges are covered also. Now it's time to add the bread onto top of the other bread, and now just slice it in half and then slice it in half again, so you have 4 pieces of bread. And continue doing that for however many breads you want to make. So if you want to make it for your whole family, use a whole pack of King's Meal bread, or use a whole pack of whatever bread you're using. So use that, do exactly what I'm doing, continue doing that, and then you can just dip it into the mixture that we made in the beginning. We'll just get onto that in a sec. Okay guys, so now we need to add in 1 tablespoon of butter into this heated pan and just move it around so the butter spreads evenly throughout the pan, and wait for it to melt. So while we're waiting for that, I'm just going to soak in the bread into the egg mixture that we made earlier on. Once you've soaked it, just apply it and add it into the pan. As you can see, I've added in the rest of them, but just wanted to show how you do that. As you can see now guys, the bread is sizzling at the bottom because of the butter that we put in the pan. Now we just need to leave it on low heat and ensure that every 2 to 3 minutes you're rotating the bread. Obviously you just need to keep it on one side and the other side. Once the one side of the bread has turned a bit golden brown, as you can see in this part of the video, then just flip them over and ensure the other part of the other side of the bread is exactly the same as the first side of the bread, as you can see. But just to make you aware guys, the cheese in the middle of the bread, once that's melted and you can see it dripping down the bread on the sides, then you know that it's ready. Because the cheese, when it becomes too hard, it's not nice. But when it's nice and melty, and you know what I mean, then it's delicious. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it, but looks amazing. There you have it guys, a very easy, simple breakfast recipe to make French toasties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until next weekend, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.